Mm.
Come after finals. We have Christmas here.
Oh. Mom, Dad didn't tell you.
Dad didn't tell me what.
He's marrying what's her name on Christmas.
Well, good for them.
I told him I'd go, but I really don't have to.
Honey, you have to go. Miles? This is my daughter, Lexi.
Cool. Nice to meet you.
You too.